Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around of this 2019, the Ford Fusion SC model. Stock number is 19705. Let's give you a virtual video walk-around and show you the exterior condition, then the interior condition in just a second. Take notice of the alloy rims. Driver's side exterior, absolutely flawless. No dents, no dings, no scratches. This vehicle does qualify for warranty protection for life and oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. You can just get more at Sunset Ford. Now let's take you up the passenger exterior and put you in the rear. Ample legroom for friends or family that might be commuting or traveling with you. Leather interior, of course, low mileage. And we're going to put you in the front and take a notice of the controls all within arm's length. Easy accessibility, fully loaded. Comfort, style, and safety, you know this is the vehicle for you. For more information, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.